In this video, you will learn how to make zip file in Android. A zip file is a way to compress multiple files into one single file. This makes it easier to share and save space on your device. You can use zip files for photos, documents, or any kind of data you want to bundle together. First things first, we need an app that can handle zip files. The best choice for this task is the RAR app. To download it, start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar at the top, type in RAR. Once you've found it in the search results, tap on it. Now hit install. Wait for it to download and install onto your device. This should only take a moment. Now that you have installed the RAR app, go ahead and open it up. The first time you launch the app, you'll be prompted to grant permission for file access. Make sure to allow all file access so that you can easily find files and create a zip file without any hiccups. With permissions granted, it's time to locate the files that you want to turn into a zip file. Once you're in your Downloads folder, or wherever your files are saved, take a look at what you want to compress. To select files for zipping, simply put a checkmark next to each file you wish to include. You can select multiple files or just one, it's entirely up to you. Once you've selected all desired files, tap on this exact button at the top of your screen. Next up is naming your new zip file. A good name helps keep everything organized. You'll also see options for choosing between creating a RAR or zip file format. For this tutorial, let's select zip. Now it's time to choose where you want this new zip file saved. Tap on the Browse button. Navigate through folders until you reach your desired destination. When you're ready, tap Folder Only to confirm your choice. Once everything looks good, you can finally tap OK to compress these files into a single zip file. After compression is complete, you can use any file manager app on your device to locate your newly created zip file. Simply navigate back to where you chose to save it earlier. And voila, it's as easy as that. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.